Many years ago, when I was in my mid-20s, I began to feel a calling to study birds. This yearning made absolutely no sense. I was working as a nurse in the small southern town where I grew up. There was no one in my family who had studied biology, or for that matter, who had even finished college. And yet I felt a very distinct urge to learn more and more about birds. I thought my dream of studying birds was going to lead me to become a professor at a university, and for a while it did. I immersed myself in the demands of teaching, research, and publishing, but the academic culture wasn't a good fit for me. I once again found myself searching for some kind of purpose. I got the opportunity to author a book, and writing helped me to start to hear parts of myself that I'd lost touch with. I heard the part of me that longed to express the love of nature and to immerse itself in a life of beauty. Slowly, gently, over the course of almost 10 years, I learned to draw and paint. Once again, I began to study birds. Rough sketches turned to more detailed drawings. I explored color and shadow and shape and volume. I took dozens of online courses and traveled for hours to attend workshops. I once believed that drawing was a matter of talent. Now, with the tools of self-discipline and hard work, I've learned that talent has nothing to do with the ability to draw. The key is simple daily practice, the willingness to show up over and over again, to not give up in the face of discouragement. Oh, how I wish I could go back in time to tell the younger me what I know now. But the truth is, I wouldn't have believed that my life would turn out as it has. I could never have imagined that a simple longing to learn more about birds would lead me on a path to love, joy, and a fulfilling career as an artist here at the Bird Artist's Cottage.